Kids, when we talk about mitigation and reducing our emissions, our impact on climate and the earth, we have to worry about the energy we are generating and using. Our lifestyles are essentially very energy intensive. You are kids, but you may already have gadgets like video games or maybe even cell phones, computers, tablets that may require energy. So when we worry about energy, we want to essentially reduce the carbon intensity, how much carbon is emitted for each unit of energy. So even the fossil fuels are not the same in this sense, because natural gas is much more environmentally friendly, which is kind of a an oxymoron, because it's fossil fuel and it emits carbon. But compared to coal, it's much better. But on the other hand, extracting natural gas may require something called fracking, where you are pumping in water to push out the natural gas that is stuck in little corners that you cannot just drill into. Those frackings have all kinds of other impacts, like causing micro earthquakes and contaminating groundwater and requiring water to do it, which may compete with agriculture, domestic use, and other things. For renewables, of course, we want renewables because they are carbon free, but it's not that simple, because solar panels involve carbon mining for the material that is required, materials that are required to make solar panels involve emissions and carbon, and recycling solar panels also has to be worried about. And the same for windmills. And we have to worry about something called a life cycle analysis, where we start from the source materials required for making the windmill blades, the solar panels, and how much energy and emissions are involved there, transporting them, producing the solar cells or windmills, and transporting them again, and installing them, and then recycling them. So it's never a free meal, but we want to keep on reducing our dependence on carbon and essentially decarbonize the system. Eventually, that'll mean that we have to take out every ton of carbon we put out, and other greenhouse gases as well, like methane and N2 and NO2 and so on. Okay, so renewable energies are the saviors, but it's not always simple. You have to worry about end-to-end systems where emissions have to be put away somewhere. Okay, just remember those details.